The Russian armed forces have lost hundreds of armored vehicles in its new offensive against Ukraine, and it's having dire consequences for Moscow's infantry, according to a recent war update from the UK Ministry of Defense. A November 4th war update from the UK Ministry of Defense revealed that Moscow has lost upwards of 200 armored vehicles since launching its operation to capture the city of Avdiivka, which is currently held by Ukrainian forces. Russia's losses are likely due to a combination of factors, according to the update, which included the relative effectiveness of Ukraine's modern handheld anti-armor weapons, mines, uncrewed aerial vehicle-dropped munitions, and precision artillery systems. The Washington-based think tank, the Institute for the Study of War, confirmed the loss of roughly 200 armored vehicles in a November 1st campaign assessment from its experts on the topic, noting 197 armored vehicles had been lost or damaged since October 9th. Russia lost 99 armored vehicles in the first wave of assaults against Avdiivka between October 9th and 13th, according to the group, and then suffered 94 more losses during the second wave that took place between October 14th and 23rd. More vehicles have been lost since the second wave of assaults on Avdiivka ended, and the Institute for the Study of War claimed 4 had been confirmed, while there could be as many as 18 other unconfirmed losses that took place from October 24th to the 31st. We can conclude now that this is by far the most costly Russian assault during 3 weeks for one city since the beginning of the war, George Barros, an analyst with the Institute for the Study of War, told Business Insider on November 4th. Moscow launched its new offensive to capture Avdiivka on October 10th, but has gained little territory since the operation started and suffered enormous casualties in the fighting to capture the Ukrainian-held city. Much of the devastation has been relayed in real time by Ukrainian officials and media outlets that have revealed the increasing cost Moscow has suffered in its pursuit of the city. "We've destroyed a lot of their equipment, so now the enemy continues to push forward with infantry," stated the spokesperson for Ukraine's Tavrisk Group Colonel Oleksandr Shtupun in the days after Russia launched its offensive. Colonel Shtupun claimed that Russia was launching meat grinder assaults, according to Newsweek, and added that Ukrainian forces had destroyed more than 300 pieces of military equipment and killed about 3,000 Russian soldiers. Newsweek couldn't verify the colonel's claims when they reported his statement, but the casualty figures that have come out since haven't been any lower. However, the losses could be tied to the destruction of hundreds of Russian vehicles. In the UK Defense Ministry's November 4th update, it reported that Russian forces have likely switched to dismounted infantry-based assaults in the sector containing Avdiivka in response to the loss of so many vehicles. Like previous Russian offensives, the Avdiivka assaults have often been characterized by advances across open ground, leading to high losses, the update explained, adding that it's possible Russia has experienced thousands of casualties. It is plausible that Russia has suffered several thousand personnel casualties around the town since the start of October 2023, the ministry update continued. However, the losses haven't stopped Russia from pressing on with its offensive. Russia's leadership continues to demonstrate a willingness to accept heavy personnel losses for marginal territorial gains, the update added. But what are we to make of this? And is it possible Ukraine could lose Avdiivka? Carlotta Gall of the New York Times noted that Avdiivka was strategically important to Moscow. If Russia captured the city, it would push Ukrainian forces back from the threshold of Donetsk and open up the main rail and road routes for Russian forces in the area. Moreover, Gall added that Avdiivka holds significant political value for Vladimir Putin. The city has been resisting capture since 2014, so its defeat would be a major coup for Russia as it heads into winter. Whether or not the city will fall has yet to be seen. Yeah, so that TOS-1 destruction footage from yesterday, Deep State says it was destroyed in Krinky. This bitch was brought up to shell the defender positions on the left bank. There was footage. Now it's no more after meeting with, apparently, the Baba Yaga Agrodrone. Russian tourists. We didn't know that this wasn't allowed. In Alanya, Turkey, Russian tourists decided to steal disposable slippers, shower gels and shampoos, bags of tea, coffee, bottles of vodka. They poured vodka into plastic bottles from the hotel. The Russians have suitcases and bags full of stolen goods.
Это для пользования в отеле здесь, а не для того, чтобы их собрать. Да.
Çünkü orada daha başka şeyler de var. Çatal, kaşık.
А куда вы? Вот сюда выкладывайте все, пожалуйста.
Valizinin tamamen çıkartıyor, poşetleri.
Можно варить самому. Вот пакет еще с чем?
Вот гели, да.
С гелем. А зачем вы это хотите с собой забрать?
На память хотели.
Ne diyor?
Сюда доставайте.
Они только хотели.
Buraya bize bir gösteri yapsın. Başka
Алкоголь тоже нельзя сливать. Еду тоже нельзя брать отелю. Что, чай?
al oraya.
Что, чай? Выкладывайте, пожалуйста, все. Ну как же вы не знали? Все, везде правила одинаковые за границей.
Нет, ну на самом
Zeytini koy. Ve
мы в том году отдыхали, мы брали с собой тоже.
Ну, я понимаю, но не столько. Но не столько. Посмотрите.
Ну, давай нам разрешают.
ya boşaltın onları.
Доставайте и дальше еще. Что там есть?
Это наши тоже.
Ну, то,
Вот
что,
так.
доставайте, то, что не ваше.
Перемешка.
Доставайте.
Kendine ait olanını alsın.
Ваш
Burada-
вализа, да? Алкоголь тоже где бутылку?
Bütün her şeyi boşalttım.
Выкладываете.
Ve poşet getiriyorum için.
Нет, я понимаю, если сувенир взять 2, 3, 4, но не 60, 70. И
тут не как-то
алкоголь сливать
много.
с отеля.
Ну, алкоголь тут что-то немного.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.